very qualified to protect the sovereignty of this country. We have the best National Intelligence Service. We have the best Kenya Police Service. And for Kenyans, let us have trust in our security system. Coming here to castigate the president for hosting the rebels, the Sudan Republic rebels in our country. That rebellion in Sudan started. It was started by the people of Sudan due to mismanagement by the government of Bashir. So these are the people who came in with superior weapons to help the people of Sudan to liberate themselves. And the people of Sudan wanted good governance. General Dagalo wanted good governance in Sudan. And it is upon the president as a Pan-Africanist. This thing started long time ago, in the 1960s and 1970s. You find that in Zimbabwe, it was hosted by Samora Machel when Robert Gabriel Mugabe was fighting for the liberation of the people of Zimbabwe. And they went there in Mozambique, the Kukuraundi. They formed, and it resulted to a Lancaster House meeting in 1979, and coming to 1980, Zimbabwe got independence, and today Zimbabwe is a republic. And that is how the friendship between Mozambique and Zimbabwe has spearheaded up to date. This government you see here of National Revolution Movement of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni General was formed here by Nyerere. So we have to work, there are many examples. So we have to work better with our partners. Diplomacy is diplomacy when it helps Africa. It should not appear to you that it is diplomacy when it helps the USA and European. So let us not castigate our president for hosting the Nini. We want a stable Sudan. That revolution was started by the people, and Dagalo is for the people of Sudan. Let us not nini the nini. Nadhani mnaelewa hapo na mfanye research kabisa. Kwa jukumu wacha